Dear friends, it's a pleasure to speak to you on the occasion of Anubhav, Speak Mackey's first virtual cultural convention. I am based in Helsinki, Finland, and our embassy is handling India's relations with Finland and Estonia. In addition to our political outreach and trade promotion, promotion of India's culture is a very important pillar of our diplomatic engagement. It is also an important element for strengthening people to people contacts. Our embassy is working with several experienced and dedicated artists, cultural troupes, Indian associations in both countries, which are very well versed in classical, semi-classical, folk, regional and contemporary forms of dance. In addition to teaching dance to various age groups, including the young, they also perform these forms of art regularly. Indian music is also very popular. Sitar and tabla have a good following, and I had the pleasure to enjoy several fusion compositions of music and even Indo-Finnish choreographies of dance. This abundance of local talent is showcased at the annual India Day festival in Helsinki every summer, the biggest cultural event in Finland. We work also with the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, which sends troops regularly to these two countries for performances which are very well received by the local audience. Dear friends, India has a very rich and diverse heritage of dance, music, art and literature which vary from state to state. And Speak Mackey has been promoting India's music and culture among our youth by organizing programs directly on the campuses of colleges and universities. Even people of my age sometimes get caught up with the daily routine of work and home and are not so connected with our art and music. On a personal note, whenever I stay in Delhi, I have attended and enjoyed tremendously concerts by maestros like Pandit Ravi Shankar, Bismillah Khan and Kishori Amonkar in events which were open to the public. And in my own family, a very deep love of classical music and dance connects us across generations. It also reinforces our deep connect with our heritage and traditions. I hope that both Indian and other youngsters in Finland, Estonia and other countries will be able to experience this immersive cultural festival Anubhav and watch their events. I congratulate Speak Mackey for organizing this event on a digital platform so that it's accessible not just to Indian youth but also several others throughout Europe and globally. It's an excellent idea to use digital platforms and we hope to see them do that more often. And I wish Anubhav every success and hope that it becomes an annual feature. Our embassy is very glad to promote this initiative here locally. Thank you.